Toy Crafters! Today we got another DIY for you. Ooh, I don't know what it's gonna be, but we're about to find out. Got some salt and glue and paint. Okay, so we are gonna make a little salt painting today, and I'm gonna make Peppa Pig. Woo! Okay, so you need a black piece of construction paper and salt to glue, and you need watercolors. So I'm going to do my best to draw Peppa Pig. I'm not great at this, so don't worry if it doesn't look exactly the way Peppa Pig is drawn. Point is just to have fun doing it. Alright, let's get Peppa's eye in there. And her second eye. Boop. Boop. Let's see, she's got a nice rosy little cheek, doesn't she? And a smile. Yeah, she's looking pretty Peppa Piggy, I must say. Alright, let's get her dress. And her hands. And finally, let's do, let's do a swirly tail. Little piggy. Okay, and finally her feet. Now, I totally cheated Toy Crafters and chose the easiest thing ever. So, now we pour down our salt. Make sure that all your salt covers all of your glue, so then it's going to stick to your glue. Ooh, sprinkle, sprinkle. Get those little feeties. Okay, there we go. And now, we just gotta shake our salt around a little bit. So, we're gonna get a tray, because this is gonna be messy. And gonna carefully lift it up. Shake, 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 shake. Woo, it's turning out pretty good. Woo! Whoa, Peppa looking good. Ooh, salted pork. Okay, Peppa, look at that. It's a 3D Peppa Pig. She looks so cute. Now, let's color her in. So, make sure you get a lot of water if you're using these kinds of solid watercolors. Make it nice and globby, and then you put the paint down onto the salt. Okay, so her body is just about done. So let's do the red of her dress. Woo! Such a pretty little dress. Woo! All right, and then let's give her nice pink smile. There we go. And color in her shoes. Ooh, Peppa, what salty shoes you have. And let's do her pupils. Whoop! It's so much fun watching the water and the paint go over the salt. Woo! There we go. We got our salt painting Peppa Pig. I think this turned out pretty well. Well, I hope you enjoyed doing this with me, Toy Crafters. Like and subscribe, stay silly, and never grow up.